Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys all about what I wore as a wedding guest. And we're starting out with a bare face, and I'm wiping off my eyebrows just with a clean washcloth so that my eyebrow product will stay on. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Then I applied the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel over the top just so that they'll stay in place all day. Followed by the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to keep my eyeshadow on all night. And then I topped that eyeshadow primer with my Mercier Translucent Powder. Then I went into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I went in with Tempera as a highlight shade all over my lid all the way up to my brow bone. I followed that with the shade Burnt Orange as a transition shade. Then I used the color Sienna all over my lid and I blended it up into the crease, and then I added Mulberry onto the lid to deepen it, and I put that just on the lid. I went back in with the Burnt Orange color and just blended out the edges just so that they were smooth and seamless. And I was a little bit messy with this just because I knew I could clean it up with concealer later. I went and touched up my highlight with the Tempera shade again and added more depth with that Mulberry shade. After that, I put on some winged liner with my Fenty Fly Liner. And then I went into my complexion, starting with the Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. And the foundation that I used was the Becca Skin Love, which makes me look very glowy, but it also has really good coverage, which is great for a wedding. And I use the Fenty concealer underneath my eyes. After that, I went back with the Mercier Translucent Powder and I set underneath my eyes and in the center of my face, just to keep everything in place all night while I'm at the wedding. Then I went back with Soft Glam and I mixed Burnt Orange and Sienna, and I put that on my lower lash line just to make the look a little bit smokier. And then I put my face highlighter, which is Makeup Forever, in the inner corner. I took the Hoola Quickie contour stick to start my contouring process. This is really easy to blend out, and I just used my beauty blender to blend that. And then I topped that with my Anastasia bronzer in Tawny, just to give the bronzer a little bit more depth. I always go back with my powder brush and blend out my contour just to make sure that everything is seamless. I'm using MAC Warm Soul Blush on the apples of my cheeks, blending it back towards my temple. And then I go with the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Highlight in shade 02, putting that on the tops of my cheekbones. I set everything with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist and used my Nars Climax Mascara on my top lashes and my Covergirl Lash Blast on the bottom lashes. I finished off the makeup look with the Bare Minerals Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. And that is it for this wedding guest makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!